Hello friends, welcome to our channel AgriFish. If you have ever wanted to dive into the fascinating world of beekeeping, then you are in the right place. Today we are covering everything you need to know to get started with beekeeping as a beginner. Let's talk. First off, why should you consider beekeeping? Bees plays a crucial role in our ecosystem, pollinating many of the plants we really want for food. Plus, you can enjoy the sweet rewards of your hard work with fresh honey right from your backyard. Let's talk about the essential equipment you will need to get started. There are five most essential components we will express here. There is number one is beehive. The most common type is the Langstroth hive. Number two is protective gear, a beekeeping suit, gloves, and a veil to keep you safe. Number three, smoker. This helps claim the bees when you are working with them. Number 4. Hive tool. Useful for paying apart the frames. Number 5. Bees. This is the most essential things that you need to focus. You will buy a package of bees or a nucleus colony from online or any other known supermarkets. Now, what should be the right location for beekeeping? So, choosing the right location for your hive is very crucial. Look for a sunny spot that's sheltered from strong winds, ideally with access to water and flowering the plants nearby. Now, from where you are getting the right bees for your farm. When you are ready to get your bees, you can purchase them from a local bee supplier or online. Remember to check for the right breed suited for your climates and needs. Next, let's set up your hives. Follow the instructions that come with your hive kit. Make sure it's stable and elevated off the ground, which helps with ventilation and pest prevention. Now we are come to basic hive management. Regular inspections are key to successful beekeeping. Check for signs of a healthy queen. Look for honey production and ensure there are no pests. Aim for inspections every 7 to 10 days during the active season. Harvesting honey. When it comes to harvesting honey, wait until the frames are at least 80% kept. Use a honey extractor to remove honey from the frames and always leave enough honey for the bees to sustain themselves. So you know everything about beekeeping. Beekeeping is a rewarding hobby that benefits both you and the environment. If you found this video is very helpful to you, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more gardening and beekeeping and various agricultural tips. Signing you all.